Oh hey, welcome to another edition of Handmade Tracks and 3D Printed Trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at an open top hopper. I always liked the idea of an open top hopper, and then I decided I'm going to make me one. So it's got the insides of your basic inner hopper, and it's got three little chutes on the back, on the outside, and a whole bunch of different coal loads, so it's got a nice loaded look as well. Uses your micro-change couplers, as most of mine do. Hang on a second. And they use a micro-change couplers, as all of mine do. Runs really well on an N-scale track, so you can use it as an N-scale model. And I also decided to design up a set of plastic wheels, which are not all that steady. I think those are loads. Well, those are the loads falling out. And I also made a set of plastic. God damn it. So I also made a set of plastic wheels, articulated one-piece hinges, and so you can use this as a static model or a kid's toy. I include the engine just so if you want it for a kid, there you go. The little tiny loads fit on the top, but if you're playing with it, they're definitely going to fall out, because trains generally don't roll. So I printed with a little flange around the outside. It helps it to adhere to the bed a bit better. I use a little cutting edge to pull off the outermost rim around it, cleans up the print a little bit, and clean up the corners as well. That makes it look a whole lot better. And with this thing, there's also 11 different little coal loads, so it has a whole bunch of little loads to make it look fairly unique. And when the print leaves some strings, what I'll do is I'll use a little torch to sort of blast off the strings and hairs off the edges of the ends of the print, and sometimes on the stairs on this thing it'll be a bit stringy. So I put the couplers on using a voltmeter. I use the probes off the voltmeter. Usually there's small and large pins for the micro-trains couplers, and if it doesn't fit, well, I use the end of the probe just to open it up just a little bit. And you want to make sure that the wheels end up being nice and loose so that when you flip it upside down, they always flop down. And if they're not flopping nice and loose, you can use the screwdriver to just ever so slightly lift it up and gives it just a little tiny bit more play. And that's a 48-foot open top hopper. I think it came out nice. You can get it on Cults. Check it out yourself. 3D printed train. Use it for a kid. Use it on a model train set. Micro-change couplers. 3D prints. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Check it out. Handmade Tracks doesn't have a theme song. Doesn't have a theme song. Doesn't have a theme song. Handmade Tracks, it still doesn't have a theme song. Handmade Tracks doesn't have a theme song. Not a consistent theme song. It's sort of a weird theme song. Handmade Tracks, it still doesn't have this theme song.